Hello everyone, my name's Teacher Byron and today we have our very special friend Happy Hippo with us to learn about grammar tenses. But Teacher Byron, why do we need grammar tenses in English? Very good question, Happy. In English, we use grammar tenses to talk about the past, the present, or the future. There are also three types of tenses. There are simple tense, continuous tense, and perfect tense. Today we are learning about simple tense. For example, the present simple tense is he drives a car. Past tense, he drove a car. And future tense is he will drive a car. Present means it's happening now. Past means it's already happened, and future tense means it will happen later. Another example is walk. I walk to school. Past tense, yesterday I walked to school. Future tense, tomorrow I will walk to school. All the normal verbs, the regular verbs, we add ed for past tense and then will for future tense. For example, will walk, will play, will eat, I will run. For the past tense, it's more difficult. Sometimes it's ed, sometimes we change the whole word. Let's try some examples. Here we have play. The present tense is play. The past tense we add ed, played. Then the future tense is good, will play. For the future tense it is always will and then the verb. Let's try another example. Here we have talk. What do you think the past tense is? Good. We add ed this time. So, talked. What about the future tense? Correct. Very good. We add will. So, will talk. Very good. So, these are the regular verbs. Now we have the irregular verbs. We don't add ed. This one is sing. I like to sing. So the present tense is normal, sing. The past tense, do we add ed? Is it singed? No. This one is sang. Today I sing, yesterday I sang. Very good. Now Hippo, what about future tense? If the past tense is different, is the future tense also different? No. Very good. Future tense is the same. We add will. I sang yesterday, but tomorrow I will sing. So future is always the same. We always add will. Good. What about our last example? The bird fly. So the present tense is fly. What about the past tense? Is it flied? No. This one is flew. So today I fly. Yesterday I flew. What about tomorrow? Good, it's the same. Tomorrow I will fly. Very good. Now let's try to use these simple tense words to make sentences. Are you ready? The first word is play. So the present tense, we use the same simple form. I play on the slider. Good. What about past tense? What do you think? Good. We can say, yesterday I played on the slider. Good. What about future tense? It hasn't happened yet, but it will happen tomorrow. So we say, tomorrow I will play on the slider. Very good. Next we have talk. Can you make a sentence with simple present tense? Good. We can say, I talk to my father. What about past tense? Yesterday, I talked to my father. Good. What about tomorrow? What do you think? Good. Tomorrow, I will talk to my father. Very good. High five. Excellent work. Now we try to use the irregular verbs. Here we have sing. Can you make a sentence with simple present tense? Good. We can say, I sing a song. What about past tense? What do you say? Yesterday, I sang a song. Very good. What about future tense? Good. Tomorrow, I will sing a song. Very good. Now we have the last irregular verb, fly. Can you make a sentence with present simple tense? Good. We can say, I fly in the sky. Good. What about past tense? Yesterday, I flew in the sky. Very good. And what about tomorrow? Good. It's the same. Tomorrow, I will fly in the sky. Good work. So now try to think of a few other verbs like eat, walk, jump, dance, and see if you can think of the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. After you practice writing the words and making the sentences, I will see you in the next class where we will do the worksheets together to practice the grammar tenses. That's all for now. Have fun, take care, and as always, I will see you later. Bye bye.